In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Trust Wallet transaction that's stuck on pending. If you've experienced this issue, it can definitely be frustrating, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step to sort it out. So, let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open your Trust Wallet app. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by the home screen featuring various options like send, receive, swap, buy, and sell, along with a list of the tokens in your account. Now, sometimes when you try to perform transactions, you might encounter a situation where it says pending transaction. This means the transaction is stuck, and we need to resolve that by removing and then resending it. To get started, head over to the settings section within Trust Wallet. Here, look for the Manage Wallets option. Once you click on that, you'll be presented with a list of different accounts linked to your app. From this list, select the account you're dealing with. Now pay attention, because this step is crucial. Click on Secret Phrase and make sure to copy it. It's essential to save this secret phrase securely, as it's the key to accessing your wallet in the future. With your secret phrase safely stored, return to your account options and locate the Remove Wallet button. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to the login page, ready to log back in. At this point, you are provided with two options: I already have a wallet and Create New Wallet. Choose the first option, which says I already have a wallet. Now it's time to enter your password. This password is necessary for accessing your wallet, so enter it carefully and then click on Continue. The next step involves selecting the Trust Mobile Wallet option. When prompted, paste your recovery phrase that you copied earlier into the required field. Make sure there are no mistakes, as accuracy is vital here. After successfully completing these steps, you'll regain access to your wallet with everything intact. From here, the transaction that was stuck on pending can now be resent without any issues. And that's all there is to it. Just by following these instructions, you should be able to fix any transaction pending problems you encounter in Trust Wallet. Thanks for tuning into today's guide, and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider sharing it with others who might be facing a similar issue. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance, and we'll see you in the next video.